To make it easy, I recommend you to use computer or laptop to do this because we need to do a payment operation to watch Stingray DJAZZ. So first, you want signing into your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. After that, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on the shop icon, which will take you to these networks and add-ons. And then you want to click on all to see all the channel, and then scroll down to find Stingray DJAZZ. Right here on Stingray DJAZZ, you want to click on it. And then you want to add Stingray DJAZZ to your YouTube TV membership by paying for $7 per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. So just click on next to complete your purchase with your credit or debit card or even your PayPal. And then to watch Stingray DJAZZ, you can do this on your computer, TV, or any streaming devices. You want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on the search icon. And then you can just search for Stingray DJAZZ. Right here on the Stingray DJAZZ with this network sign, you want to click on it. And then you can just scroll down and then start to watch any show or program from Stingray DJAZZ. You can choose on Latin, Vintage, Fusion, and so on. And you can also add the movie or series that you want to watch on your smart TV by adding them to your library, where you can also skip the ads when you add a show to the YouTube TV library. And to do it, you can just choose on any show and then tap right here on the 3 dots and then click on add with the show name. Or you can just open up on the specific show or specific program and then just click right here on the plus sign to add them to your library. And to check on every show that you had or recorded before, you want to go to your top of your screen and then click right here on the library beside the home page. So on your smart TV, you can just hop into this section without looking into the live guide and enjoy your favorite show. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch Stingray DJAZZ on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.